Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from a YouTube channel on the YouTube app. Sometimes you watch a cool video, you subscribe to the channel and then the channel never posts again, or any other video after that is like not good. So now I'm gonna show you how we can go on the YouTube platform. So for this example over here, let's go and let's click on this guy, for example, right? I'm gonna go on his account. I'm currently subscribed. All you gotta do, you see there is a subscription button over here, the gray one. You wanna click on it, and then you have two options. This is a new update. YouTube either gonna give you the option to disable notifications, because if you're here on this menu, this means that you wanna leave this person permanently. So YouTube, is giving you another chance to not unsubscribe. So if I click unsubscribe, and this is how it's going to appear again. This is how you unsubscribe from YouTube channels. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.